Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about the Anubis method, a strategy that could be really useful for boosting your pet's aids in a Grow a Garden Harvest Moon event. So in here, you will need the new Anubis pet. You can get the Anubis when you unlock when you reaching level 40 in the season pass. This one, 40, level 40. This one, and you will get this Anubis. It's a mythical pet, and its ability can occasionally destroy a heavily mutated fruit while ignoring your favorite fruits. And then after that, another pet in your garden will gain its pass on the number of mutations that were on that fruit. So the basically behind the Anubis method is to prepare fruits with as many mutations as possible, and it will let Anubis consume them to potentially give your target pet a bigger age boost. The more mutation the fruit has, the better the potential its gain can be. So this Anubis method particularly interesting if your goal is to increase the odds of specific pets and build a pet at boosting setup. However, there's one important thing in here. I haven't been able to test this method myself yet because I haven't reached season pass level 40 to unlock Anubis. So yeah, in here I can't personally confirm how effective the method is in practice. But based on the Anubis ability, I think this definitely looks like a strategy worth to trying once you unlock it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.